Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool object right here, and basically what this is a grabber tool. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me just open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, that is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So see how I do have two of them because I purchased the 2-pack, but since both of them are the same, let me just show you guys what one of them looks like. So if you guys notice, for the one that we do have right here is a blue color. They do have this available in many other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which you prefer. But see the way how the design of the product is actually pretty cool. It does have a foldable design, so that can save a lot of space when you guys are not using it. But let's set this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. So what you have to do is set the pole right here, just like this. And once you guys do that, you guys are basically ready to start using it. So for this side right here is basically the grabber option. And then for our side right here, we do have the button for it to push. And pretty much that button will allow you guys to actually use the grabber option. So just like this. So that can grab stuff really easily. But I mean, see the way how they design the product is actually pretty cool. They do give you guys this very nice grip on the side that feels really nice to give you guys a good grip. And also have like that non-slip material as well. And then for the top right here, we do have the option for you to hang it on somewhere if you guys do need to. And when you guys look at the inside of the gripper part right here, it has like a non-slip material as well. So that way when you guys do use it for grabbing stuff, it won't slide as easy, which is pretty cool. So let's say for example, if I want to grab this box, you're gonna go like this and just grab it. You can see how well the product works when you guys do use it. Obviously, the heavier the product is that you guys want to grab, the harder it's gonna be. So let's say for example, if I grab my water bottle right here, this is basically what the product looks like if you guys do grab a bottle. If you can see how strong the product is, it's basically carrying a bottle with the water or liquid inside. And when you guys do feel the overall weight of the product, it's not that heavy. It's actually pretty lightweight. And the cool thing about this gripper part right here, you do have the option to rotate it. So all you do is pull it out and twist it. Start and use it this way. Or if you guys pull it again, you guys can rotate it this way. So really cool how that give you guys the option to actually angle a different position if you guys do want to. And then obviously once you got it done, you guys can pull this part right here and bring it back together. So that way it's really easy for you to store away, which is pretty cool. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, basically anywhere that require you guys to use like a grabber option to grab stuff that you guys cannot reach with your own hand, that is basically where one of these actually comes in handy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality grabber tool that you can use to grab stuff, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.